guys, the reason I'm being creative is no, I'm not saying you're creative. It's because of the I do have what's it called toolbox on, and if you want me to take it off, I will. But I'm sorry, but look, I can go into creative. I'm not going to, but look. Okay, so I'm not gonna take anything off. I'm just showing you. I can. I will put on flying. And yeah, that's all. Oh, I'm gonna set my spawn in my house, guys. If y'all tell me y'all don't want this, no, I'll take off. But if Hojos anyone's watching this, I will turn it off if you want me to, bro. So, and if the server master's watching, yes, I will turn it off. I will turn off flying, not the whole thing, because the whole thing I need, because I need some. And he has it on too, so it's all good, and should be all good. I don't know. Hope just anyone has it on, and the server master hasn't said anything to him, and I think we're allowed to. So, wait, what was that? Oh yeah, set my spawn. Sorry guys, my mind's lost. I just had some amazing potatoes made by my mom. So yeah. Okay, so set. Okay, so we can't easily just fly now. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go kill this piggers. Oh, look at this. My house.
What? I didn't touch it.
Oh wait, he's starting with the second. Oh, I have a perfect troll. Let's do it. I'm doing it. Let's slow him down.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm not doing
Wait, I'm gonna put an X-ray real quick. Hold on, guys. Putting on X-ray real quick. Oh, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm about to put on X-ray. Do y'all want me to keep X-ray on? Like, do y'all care if I use it? Okay. Okay, I'm out. I was just sitting there.
You know there's still Ajax on the floor.
Oh, that's cool, guys. X-ray. He used X-ray to find his chest, so I can use X-ray to mine. Do y'all think that's okay? Do y'all think I should be using this? Just tell me, and I won't. Okay, guys. So right now we are trying to get this gold. Oh wait. Oh yes. Okay, hold on. We're gonna get some diamond, guys. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys. But like I said, if y'all want me using this, I won't, but I really want to. But I want to listen to what y'all want, because y'all are my people. Y'all are my boss of my job. Of course, cool.
Your nerves are playing.
That is cool. X-ray is a cool little thing. Wait, can't you see chests with this thing? I don't know, but X-ray is awesome, guys. Oh, wait. Torch. But like I said, if y'all don't want me using it, I won't. But it's something that will help me out, but I will keep the mini-map. That's something I want to keep because, you know, I can find their homes if they move them. wait, I have flying on. Hold on. I'll have to ask the server master if I'm allowed to have flying. Because that might be cheating. Okay, guys, I'm just walking around my house. Hold on. Actually, no. Like I said, I only need one diamond.
Please. I'm trying to get me a Zantac for like 2 hours.
Guys, I just fell in lava. No.
Hey!
Yeah, never dig straight down, guys. First rule of Minecraft when you learn Minecraft, never dig straight down. Guess who just did this? I disobeyed the rule, and I got karma.
A song by the same person, and it's called Set It on Fire. I like that song.
By who? Oh, who does Pawn Store?
It's the same people, but it's
Okay.
a better song.
Shh. I'm trying to. Hold on. Yeah, I said amen. Okay, guys, this is the end of this episode. I'm sorry, I gotta go eat. I will come back right after I eat, guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna be back. So, I gotta go. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a like. Thank you. Bye, guys.